Kelly, do you think she is one great performer? She haven't aged one bit since the last time I saw her, and that was 4 years ago. I would definitely agree with you, Marcy. She haven't changed a bit. She looks so young. What could be her secret? I know she endorses a certain kind of anti-aging wrinkle cream. Let me think. Oh yes. She endorses anti-aging wrinkle cream called LifeCell Skin Cream. I wish there's a website where we can ask anti-aging questions and get good answers. I saw a question and answer website called Anti-Aging Wrinkle Crema nswers.com. They have great discussions and most questions there are quite relevant for skincare and anti-aging. Really, Kelly? I would definitely check on it. I will post my questions there. Thank you so much for the information, Kelly. Let's try to get a tube of that wonder cream, LifeCell. Let's go, Marcy. I can't wait to get off a few years from my face.